right, welcome back. This is another Access Laser Tech Talk. Today we're in our demo lab. We have our laser mounted on the optical bench. The fans are running and we're seeing our red light on the laser. We know we're ready to go. What we're doing today is demonstrating the Access Laser LineTracker accessory, which provides industry-leading power stability of plus or minus 1%. So let's look at how that works. The first thing we're going to see is this beam pickoff on the front of our laser. Now, this is sampling less than 1% of the beam through this beam splitter. It samples the optical output and turns it into a voltage signal. That gets transmitted along to the LineTracker box, and this is what controls the piezo at the back. That cavity modulation is providing us with our power stability. Now, you can control this using the push buttons on the top of the box, but today we're going to show what it looks like using a computer interface. So now that we've had all of our connections hooked up, we've launched the LineTracker software from Access Laser. In the top left is the Run button, and by clicking on that, we're going to have a data acquisition where the red line measures the laser power and the blue is the piezo voltage. Now we're going to go from an open loop configuration into closed loop, and by clicking that icon, the piezo is going to ramp in its voltage. When it does this, it's modulating the cavity length. And that's going to directly impact not only the power we see, but the stability that it provides. As it does this, you're going to notice that there'll be a few cycles where the power goes up and then ramps back down. This cyclical nature is what we should be looking for. After it's finished its ramp, we're going to want to adjust where the yellow marker is. Now, by putting it on a rising edge of the red line, we should make sure that we're matching that via our edge select option. Once we've picked a spot that is around 10% less than the peak power, we can hit Start Tracking. You'll notice that the piezo voltage is automatically going to drop down to match the level it was at, correlating to the power spot that we picked. Once this has happened, we are now tracking our power. If we'd like to increase the power, we can do so by simply clicking up on the power setting. However, if we go too far out on the power and reach the zenith of this curve, we might lose our tracking and go into an error mode. So that's how to get the most out of your LineTracker accessory. Now, if you have any questions, we're here to help. So reach out to us either via phone or through our website, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time.